Right. Good afternoon. 1 second for the mutes. Good afternoon. We are on the record at this time in 25 CR 785. This is the matter concerning Mohammed Suleiman. Mr. Suleiman, are you able to hear me through the microphones over you? Good. May I have appearances of counsel, please?
Ken Kuffner, appearing for the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Catherine Harold on behalf of Mr. Suleiman, who is present in custody.
Mr. Suleiman, good afternoon. This is the first advisement, and I have just a couple of matters that I need to cover with you. I'm going to ask many of the questions that I have to your counsel, but I need to first address you directly and make sure that you have received and that you understand the protection order that the court just issued. It keeps you from contacting any of the people who are named as the victims in the alleged offense. Did you receive the protection order? Do you understand it? Thank you. Ms. Harold, I know that Mr. Suleiman has seen a video that addresses his rights during the case. Do you waive further formal advisement of those rights, or would you like him further advised?
I waive any further reading or advisement, Your Honor.
Thank you. With respect to bond, the court previously set bond on the written affidavit. It is set at $10 million cash only. The court has not done any non-monetary conditions. I'd like to know if either party wants to address either the amount or any non-monetary conditions of bond at this time. Mr. Kuffner?
Your Honor, I am going to reserve any bond argument for the future, so I don't have any response with regards to non-monetary conditions either.
Judge, we are fine addressing it at filing of charges.
Okay, so no changes to the bond at this time, remains $10,000 cash only. And with respect to the filing of charges, is it accurate that the parties believed that the appropriate day was Thursday afternoon back in this courtroom?
Judge, we would jointly ask for Thursday, June 5th at 3:30.
Yes, Your Honor, the defense is available at that time.
Thursday, June 5th at 3:30 back here in this physical courtroom for filing of charges. Anything further from the people?
No, Your Honor.
May I just have one moment to speak with Mr. Kuffner?
Yes.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. In that case, that concludes today's proceedings. I will see you again on Thursday at 3:30 in the afternoon for filing of charges. Mr. Suleiman, thank you for appearing.
All right, Mr. Solomon.
I'm going to come back there and talk to him right there for a second.
My office has charged Mohammed Sabri Solomon, age 45, with the commission of a hate crime under 18 U.S.C. Section 249. When that offense includes attempted murder, the statutory maximum federal sentence is life in prison. No one should ever be subjected to violence of any kind. But our laws recognize that such violence is particularly pernicious when someone is targeted because of their race, their religion, or their national origin. According to our complaint and the charges brought by D.A. Doherty's office, Mr. Solomon stated that he had been planning this attack for a year. And he acted because he hated what he called the Zionist group. But what the charges allege that he did was to throw Molotov cocktails at a group of men and women, some of them in their late 80s, burning them as they peacefully walked on a Sunday to draw attention to Israeli hostages held in Gaza.
I'm Michael Doherty. I'm the District Attorney for Boulder County. I appreciate the members of the media who are here. I will highlight for you that there were 16 unused Molotov cocktails that were recovered by law enforcement in the hours after the incident took place. 16. So I really want to thank the Boulder Police Department and their law enforcement responders, as well as the first responders who provided medical aid to the victims. But that rapid response with the recovery of the 16 unused Molotov cocktails, I think, speaks for itself. So there were 16 counts of attempted murder in the first degree. 8 of those counts are for attempted murder with intent and after deliberation. The other 8 counts are attempted murder with extreme indifference. So 16 counts total. If the defendant's convicted and those counts are running consecutive to one another, he would face a maximum of 384 years in state prison. He's also charged with 2 counts of use of an incendiary device. If convicted of those charges and they run consecutive, he would face a maximum sentence of 48 years. He's also charged with 16 other counts of attempted use of an incendiary device. And again, if convicted and if they run consecutive, the maximum on those counts would be 192 years. So 384 years on the attempted murder, 48 on the use of the Molotov cocktails, and then the attempted use would be 192 years. The judge...
And we see a hate crime charge today, and can we explain that?
Yeah, so we've moved swiftly to charge quickly, just to send the message to the community that no acts of anti-Semitism are going to be tolerated and there are severe consequences. Just because there's only one charge that has been made so far doesn't mean that we're not considering other charges that could come in the future.
Network 18 decimates Times Internet with over 6 times more unique users on social media. Network 18, the undisputed leader of news networks, way ahead of the times.